Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And now we can open the settings. Here, let's scroll down and find the option Additional Settings. Scroll down and go to Accounts and Sync. And here tap on Add Account. Choose Google. And again, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It needs to connect to the server. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And tap on Next. It might take a while, so just be patient. So in this step, you need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so either you or your child. Mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup information and backup option, so you can decide whether you want to backup the data or not. I will just turn it off and then tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. If you want to, you can also remove the Google account from this device by simply tapping on this option. So your account, tap on More, so the three dots icon, and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account. And your device should disappear, remove the account immediately. Be aware, because if you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will of course ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, but that's normal, no worries. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.